Welcome to Smith's Interconnect Costa Rica, a high-tech enterprise which is part of the Smiths Group Corporation listed on the London Stock Exchange. Smiths Group is a world leader in the practical application of advanced technologies. In 1996, the senior management of Smiths in New Jersey decided to establish a factory outside the United States and considered Costa Rica to be the best country for its privileged geographical location, low manufacturing costs, and highly skilled population. In particular, Costa Rica has one of the highest literacy rates in America, 96.1%. Since the abolition of the armed forces in 1948, Costa Rica has invested heavily in education and health services for its population. General education is free, and the government places primary emphasis on teaching new information technologies and knowledge of English from the earliest grades. Costa Rica's Free Trade Zone program greatly influenced the decision to settle in the country. Thus began the construction of the plant in Costa Rica, resulting in its first export in 1997. In 2001, Smiths Group integrated Florida RF Labs, the leader in resistive components and cable assemblies for radar frequency, with Smiths Interconnect Costa Rica operation expanding its products range and increasing its investment in the country and creating new jobs. One of our philosophies is to work under high-quality standards, offering the customer a first-class product. Today, we are recognized internationally as a leader in the development and manufacture of resistive thick and thin film products for microwave, coaxial cable assemblies for radio frequency and microwave, components, couplers, and cables with high reliability and high performance for protection in aerospace and commercial applications. And so, these components bring connectivity and functionality to the equipment and systems which protect and interconnect human beings. Our products: thermopad, fixed attenuators, hybrid X couplers, resistors, terminations, hybrid X signal distribution, and cable assemblies. For the manufacture of these products, we employ a range of skills and processes that ensure compliance with all requirements and satisfaction of our customers, employees, shareholders, and society. Planning, purchasing, logistics, import and export, storage, printing, thick film, sputtering, thin film, laser adjust, dice, metal finishing, assembly, packaging, quality control, high reliability tests, configuration control, process engineering, environment and safety, human resources, and finances. Each department has the latest technology and highly qualified personnel, including engineers, managers, and technical staff. The perfect combination of personnel, equipment, and experience has led us to be recognized with awards of international excellence, such as AS 9100 Quality Management for the Industry of Protection and Aerospace, ISO 9001 Quality Management, ISO 14001 Environmental Management, and OSA's 18001 Safety Management and Occupational Health. We are committed to ongoing compliance with national legislation and international law. We're very concerned about issues such as the prevention of accidents and illness and the prevention of environmental contamination. We are equally committed to being accountable to our community. As part of the growth of our company, we have incorporated the program of social responsibility, focused in two areas: social and environmental. At Smiths Interconnect Costa Rica, we care about customer satisfaction and delivering our products on time, and strive for the continuous improvement of our processes and systems. Another factor that sets us apart is our code of ethics. We are already seeing the results of this philosophy. which is reflected in the attitude of our employees. We are a high-tech company for the care, health, transport, and well-being of humans. Smith Interconnect Costa Rica, bringing technology to life.